What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to master your calendar viewing and scheduling in Smartsheet. So first you need to head over to the Smartsheet's website and then you need to log in with your account credentials. And after that in the new tab, you will be redirected to the home page of Smartsheet. So from here, let's say you want to create a new project schedule management. So just click on the project schedule management and then the pre-built templates of Smartsheet will load. And as you can see, this is the pre-built scheduler for the Smartsheet. You can just simply take an idea from it and then you can create your own. And if you want to create it from template, you can just click on create from template. But if you want to create your own, simply click on this create button. And after that, you just simply need to, but for this video, we will create it from the templates. I'll just simply click on this view all templates and then all the templates will load. So as you can see, I showed you the project schedule management template already. And here, let's say I need to see the simple to-do list. So I'll just simply click on this once. And then this shows the complexity level is low. There are three complexity levels, low, medium, and high. And if you want the instructions, you can just simply click on this video link and then you will see the instructions in the video form. You can also copy the link and share it to another members if you want, or you can create from template as I shown you before. As you can see, this is the to-do list. You can just simply edit it by status or the deadline or from wherever you want to edit, and you can also add some links and plugins if you want to add. And then on the left side, when you click on this work apps here, there are multiple applications that will be useful for your scheduling or for preparing your own scheduling calendar. And one thing you guys need to keep in mind is the Smartsheet gives us a 30-day free trial, and after that, you just need to upgrade it to a pro version. And when I click on update here, I will show you the pricing of the pro versions. So as you can see, this is the normal pro version for per member per month, and it is billed yearly or $12 billed monthly. So this is the pro version, this is the business version, and this is the enterprise version. You can just pause it and watch all the features. And now let's get back to the smart sheet. And when you move to the home page of your Smartsheet, on the left side, you will see this browse section. So just click on that. And then in the workspaces here, you will see all the projects that you have created, or it might be in the sheets if you have created it in sheets. And let's say if you want to create a new workspace, click on this create new workspace, and then you need to name your workspace. Let's say I'm giving this name. Now click on OK. And as you can see, my new workspace has been created. I can also click create button and I can also create it from here. And when I click on this, I can just simply see all the details of this workspace. And when I want to delete it, I'll just simply right click on it and then I'll click on delete. And then I'll click on delete again in the confirmation. And as you can see, my workspace has been deleted. And when you click on this home page here, you will see the option to start a new project, program, or process. Click on that. And from that, you will be automatically redirected to choose a template, or if you want to start from scratch, you can just simply do it. And this is how you can create your scheduling and you can watch that particular calendar in your smart sheet. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.